Hi, I'm back with the new chapter Lines and Angles. Here we discuss about three problems which are appearing on your screen. First, we discuss about the problem that's given the name as question number 1. Then we'll discuss this problem 2 and then 3. I'm sure about the 1 and 2 you might able to solve the problem, but third is a very important problem and it's somewhat a difficult one to crack it. So I am giving you a time, note down the problems and try to solve it, especially third problem, and pause the video and solve it. If you're not able to solve it, I'll help you out. Let me solve the first problem. The first problem says in the diagram AMN, this is AMN, QRM, PRN are the straight lines. We need to find the value of alpha plus beta. This is alpha and this is beta. We need to find the value of alpha plus beta. In triangle QMN, I'm talking about triangle AQM. Let's work on the triangle AQM. Now in this triangle AQM, this angle is alpha, this angle is 55 degree. In a triangle AQM, alpha and 55 degree. Can I say that angle QMN, I can say angle QMN is what? Angle QMN. Angle QMN would be the exterior angle of the triangle AQM. Angle QMN is exterior angle. Triangle AQM. Therefore, that's why we have taken this triangle. Therefore, by the exterior angle property, we can say the exterior angle is equal to the sum of the opposite two angles. That means if this is the exterior angle, this is equal to sum of the opposite two angles. Sum of the opposite two angles are alpha and 55 degree. So this is the angle QMN. Now in triangle RMN, I'm looking into the triangle RMN. Angle RMN, angle PRM is exterior angle to triangle RMN, and therefore PRM has a given value which is 125 degree. It is shown in the figure. Therefore, the sum of the opposite two angles. Opposite two angles are RMN and beta. RMN and beta and plus beta. RMN angle and angle QMN is one and same thing. That's difference in nomenclature. QMN and RMN is the same angle, and the value of the RMN or QMN is alpha plus 55 degree. Now if I put the value of RMN here, this is 125 degree, which is equal to RMN, that is equal to QMN, right, which is alpha plus 55 plus beta, right? Now can I say alpha plus beta is equal to 125 minus 55, and which is equal to 70, hence the answer. Therefore the solution of the given problem is alpha plus beta equal to 70. Let's mark the answer here. The answer is A, that is 70 degree. Now let's come to the second problem. Second problem says this is the given triangle PQR. PQR is a given triangle. RS bisecting the angle R. That means this is the angle bisector. Angle R. PQ extend. Let's say this is X and X. PQ extended to D. PQ extended to D. This is PQ, which is extended to D. And angle N is 90 degree. This is right angle triangle, that is 90 degree. Then we need to find the value of angle M or angle D. So let's try to come up which is the correct option. So let's make the figure first. This is the figure. I have zoomed it out, this figure, so that we can easily to solve it. We know that PS is the angle bisector, therefore this is the angle X. Let's assume the angle X and X, because this is the angle bisector, that the angles would be equal. Now in the triangle, now look it carefully. In the triangle P, I'm checking out, I'm highlighting a triangle here. Now in this triangle, angle. In this triangle, angle n is exterior to this triangle, right? Therefore, angle n, we have learned just now, angle n is equal to angle m plus x, right? Because angle n is exterior to this triangle, angle n is exterior to this triangle. We can see that. Now, if it is exterior angle, then angle n is equal to sum of the opposite angles. Sum of the opposite angle is angle x and angle m. It's given that angle n is 90 degree. Therefore, I can say angle m plus angle x is equal to 90 degree. Now, in triangle PQR, in triangle PQR, if you apply the angle sum property, says the sum of all three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. If you apply the angle sum property, it becomes angle P, this is the angle P, then plus angle, this whole angle is x plus x, that is 2x, plus angle Q is 180 degree, right? Angle P plus 2x plus Q is 180 degree. Now, can I say this angle x from here is 90 minus angle m? Angle x is 90 minus angle m. Let me put here angle P plus twice of 90 minus angle m plus angle Q is 180 degree. Now, this is angle P plus angle Q, angle P plus angle Q, plus 2 into 90 is 180 minus twice of angle m is 180 degree. Now, let's transform 180 here, it will cancel out, and let's transfer 2m here. This is angle P plus angle Q is twice of angle m, and therefore angle m is equal to angle P plus angle Q by 2. Hence, we got the value of angle m is 180, angle P plus angle Q by m, and thus this is the answer. So, you can say the value of angle m is angle P plus angle Q by 2. Now, these two problems are the easier one. I told you earlier that these two problems are the easier one. Now, let's come to this problem. This is the crux. Now, AB equal to BC equal to CD. It says AB equal to CD. AB equal to BC, then BC equal to CD, then CD equal to DE, then DE equal to FG. EF equal to FG, and FG equal to GA. In this way, it says AB equal to BC, BC equal to CD, CD equal to DE, and DE equal to EF equal to FG, FG into GA. We need to calculate the angle DAE. We need to calculate this. So let's try to solve this problem. I'm again zooming this figure for the easier. Now, should I write all the things which are equal? AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to DE equal to AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to DE equal to EF equal to FG equal to GA, right? This is the given. Let me zoom out the figure first. मैं दोबारा repeat कर रहा हूँ यहाँ से. Zooming out this figure. Now this is given AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to EF equal to FG equal to. Now it's given AB equal to BC. This is AB. This is. Can I say this AB? I'm using this property AB. Now, if AB equal to BC, can I say that if I assume this angle be alpha, this angle will be alpha? I have used the property when the two sides of a triangle are equal, then it's isosceles triangle, then the angles are also equal, right? If it is isosceles triangle, if AB equal to BC, therefore this angle and this angle has to be equal, that is alpha and alpha. Now, if this is alpha and this is alpha, now see it carefully. Can I say this angle? Can I comment about this angle? Yes, I can comment about this angle, because in triangle ABC, this angle is the exterior angle. Therefore, this angle is equal to sum of these two angles. Sum of these two angles. If I comment, this would be 2 alpha, right? Now got the value here is 2 alpha. Now it's given BC equal to CD. BC equal to CD. Now BC equal to CD. Now in triangle BCD, Can I say this angle 2 alpha, then this angle has to be 2 alpha. Why? Because this is again an isosceles triangle. Again I use property of isosceles. Now this is 2 alpha, this is 2 alpha, right? Now look at the triangle ACD. A, C and D. Now look at the triangle ACD. This is alpha, this is 2 alpha. Therefore this is the exterior angle of this triangle ACD. ACD. This is the exterior angle, therefore this is alpha, this is 2 alpha, therefore sum of the two exterior angle is alpha plus 2 alpha is, now I got the value here is 3 alpha. Now it's given CD equal to DE. CD equal to DE. If these two lines are equal, then again it's isosceles triangle, therefore this all angle is 3 alpha. Now this is CD equal to DE. If this is 3 alpha, then this is also a 3 alpha. Now DE equal to EF. DE equal to EF is given, then EF is equal to FG and FG is equal to GA. Now if I see the triangle, this FG and GF, if I use this triangle, it's given AG or GA is equal to FG. Therefore this is triangle is again isosceles triangle. If this is angle alpha, this has to be alpha. And exterior angle, last example में ही तेरा I'm talking about it. Now this AG is equal to GF. So if I say this is alpha, this is alpha, therefore this is the exterior angle. I can say this is 2 alpha, right? Now I got the value 2 alpha here. Now it's given FG is equal to EF. Is also given FG is equal to EF. FG equal to EF. If this is 2 alpha, again this is isosceles triangle. Therefore this would be 2 alpha, right? And this is 2 alpha, therefore the remaining angle would be alpha, right? Now this is 2 alpha, this is 3 alpha. Can I say this about this angle? Now this angle is 3 alpha, 2 alpha. This angle has to be 3 alpha, 2 alpha. Now look at carefully. Let's be this point be P. Now this angle is equal to this angle because these are the vertical opposite angle. This angle is 2 alpha. This angle is also 2 alpha. Therefore this angle is, what would be this angle? We can say these two triangles are similar because this is 3 alpha. Sorry, these two angles are equal, vertical opposite angle, and this is 2 alpha and this is 2 alpha. Therefore third angle has to be equal, because if two angles are equal, that means by default third angle has to be equal, because the sum of the angles of a triangle are 180 degree. The angle is sum is constant. Therefore this angle has to be 3 alpha. Now if this is 3 alpha, it's given EF is equal to DE. This is DE and this is EF. Now this is 3 alpha, therefore this angle should be 3 alpha, and therefore this smaller angle, this is, if this is 2 alpha, then this remaining angle will be alpha. Total angle is 3 alpha. Now in triangle AED, a bigger triangle, now can I say using the angle sum property, this angle is alpha plus, now this angle is 3 alpha plus this angle is 2 alpha plus alpha, that is 3 alpha. Total sum is 180 degree. Therefore 3 alpha plus 3 alpha plus alpha, that is 7 alpha is 180 degree and alpha is 180 by 7. And so this is a purely we use to add two properties here. One is an isosceles triangle, two sides are equal and two angles are equal. Second, angle sum, exterior angle sum property. Exterior angle is equal to sum of the opposite angle, and sum of the angles of a triangle are 180 degree. Use this and calculated the alpha is 180 by 7. Hence the answer. So I can say this is also 180 by 7. Thanks.